Okay, so today we're gonna make an icosahedron. For this project, you're gonna need 30 pieces of paper. I like to use 3 different colors, 10 sheets of each color. To make the unit, start off by folding the piece of paper in half. Unfold, and then fold the bottom edge up to the middle line. Rotate it 180 degrees and do the same thing to the other side. Now, unfold the piece of paper and fold up the top flap. Take the bottom left corner and fold it up so that it meets that crease. Unfold, rotate the piece of paper, and do the same thing on this side. Now, take this flap, fold it over, and then this fold right here, you're going to fold that triangle and tuck it under this flap so that you get this. Flip the unit over, and now fold the white triangles over so that they show red. Just like that. Now, take this point and fold it so that it meets this point. Rotate the unit, do the same thing on the other side. The final step, fold it in half this way. And make sure all your creases are sharp. Then you have one unit. So now we're going to make 29 more of these. To start the assembly, we're going to take one of each color. How these get put together is the flap of one gets put into the slot in the middle on the other, just like that. When you put 3 together, so to put the third one in, you tuck it in, and then take the first one, pull it up over, and tuck it in. When you put 3 together, you get a pyramid. So, 5 of these pyramids should make one 5-pointed star with the center meeting right there. And to get each pyramid to have one of each color meeting at the point, you want to do an alteration of the first color, the second color, the first color, the second color, then one of the third color. And this should be how it looks on all of the points. So, if you turn this way to see how the top star would look, we have an orange, then a yellow. So next I would put an orange. Then a yellow. Then to complete the star, I'll use a red. Now, the majority of the assembly is just picking the color that needs to complete that pyramid. So we'll just continue putting the pieces in. So, now we have the first 5-pointed star complete. We're left with this. So, we have 3 reds, an orange, and a yellow. Between the yellow and the red, we are going to put, we'll need 2. So we are going to put an orange, see how the rotation would work. And then we'll put a yellow because that's the last color we'll need for that star. Now it's just completing the pyramids again. And you may have to pull apart a few pieces to get this last piece in. But don't get discouraged. And there we have it. If we take a look, we followed that rotational pattern on all of the stars. And each pyramid has one of each color. So that's how you make an icosahedron.